Read on the reMarkable device. Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. You can support us by subscribing to our channel. Reading articles from your favorite websites can easily be done without notifications or distractions. Just click the button in your Chrome browser, and your article will appear on your paper tablet. The first thing you want to do is download Google Chrome to your Mac laptop. Click Download Chrome, and finishing up installing Chrome by following steps 1, 2, 3 as shown. First, download Chrome and accept Google Terms of Service, then click Accept and Install. Locate your download. Click the next screen will appear, then grab the Google Chrome app into the folder as shown. Open up the Google Chrome app, then type in my.remarkable.com on the search bar. All your connected devices will look like this. Take a look at the browser extension below and click Get. The next screen will show something like this. All you have to do is click Add to Chrome button. The ADD extension black screen will appear. Just click ADD extension. On the next screen, it will ask you to get a one-time code. Click on it and code will appear. Click Copy to Clipboard and paste to this screen again. You finish, click Done. Click the R/M icon to send web articles to your reMarkable account. It will convert all texts to your reMarkable account, article, or PDFs file in your reMarkable device. Just follow these steps. Just right-click the R/M icon, a small window appear. Select Read on reMarkable as PDF, or just let it converts itself. If you have not signed into your account, you need to sign in first with the same email you use with your reMarkable account. I hope this helps everyone who has a reMarkable tablet. You can support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in our next video.